Okay everybody, in the last video, I forgot to show you my prop. I spent forever making these. A blue egg. Now, ironically, out of all the colors I've got olive, I've got green, I've got dark brown, light brown, and white. I forgot to show you that last time. So I don't really have any of the blue ones, which, by the way, I guess came from South America, the blue eggs. So this time, I'm going to deal with eggs again. I'm going to deal with two different colors, brown and green. And this is where I'm making some assumptions, okay? I wasn't going to spend forever researching eggs and exactly what's dominant and recessive and such. But from the research, and I looked up more than one site, it's just questionable how scientific they were. It seems brown is dominant to green. Now, in the kind of cross we're going to do now, remember last time it was complete dominance. This one is incomplete dominance, okay? So neither a color is dominant to the other. So this one results in a blending, okay? So if we have a homozygous dominant brown, big B, and we have a homozygous recessive green egg, if we cross these two eggs, right there I have the two alleles for brown, the two alleles for green, and the cross. Now, don't get hung up with the letter B, because last time I did the video, the B represented the dominant trait, which in that case was blue. In this case, it's brown. Okay, you always use the first letter of the dominant trait. So all of these are heterozygous. Okay, all of these have the genotype big B, little b. All of these have the phenotype. Now here's where the phenotype gets interesting. It's not green and it's not brown, because brown expresses itself some and green expresses itself some. And so this time what you get is olive, okay? So you get sort of a brownish green. This is an example of incomplete dominance. So another example of this given in your textbook was a white snapdragon crossed with a red snapdragon. That gives you a pink snapdragon, okay? So that's incomplete dominance. In the next video that we'll post as well, I'm going to show you codominance. And the only example for codominance I will show you is dealing with human blood typing. And so since we last communicated, I've donated, remember, to that HLA match person out there who needed my platelets. I've donated at least 2 more times to that person. So hopefully things are still going well. In fact, the last time I donated was a week or 2 ago. So hopefully I get called again soon for that person who needs my platelets in this incredible time that we're in. See you guys in a few minutes.